Have you ever noticed that people seem to be getting smarter and more knowledgeable than ever before, but still struggle with making wise decisions? It is a common problem in today's fast-paced world, but let me share a story that might explain why. There was once a man who was traveling down a long and winding road. He came to a fork in the road and wasn't sure which way to go. He asked a wise old man for advice, and the old man responded with a question: "Where do you want to go?" The man replied, "I don't know." And the old man said, "Then it doesn't matter which way you go." The point of this story is that knowledge alone is not enough. We can be the smartest person in the room, but if we don't have a clear understanding of our values and goals, we won't make wise decisions. Wisdom comes from a combination of knowledge and experience. It's about understanding the bigger picture and making decisions that align with our values and goals. It is about knowing when to listen to our intuition and when to seek guidance from others. So my challenge to you is this: take some time to reflect on your values and goals. What kind of life do you want to live? What's truly important to you? Once you have a clear understanding of these things, you will be better equipped to make wise decisions that lead you down the right path. Remember, knowledge is important, but wisdom is essential. If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe for more insights and inspiration. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or questions. I am Douglas C.